Unsolved example 8. Newly started art circle Jeevan Jyoti, a newly established concern, has presented following information. Admission fee, subscription. Either opening cash balance bhi nahi hai. The reason is there is no opening cash balance because this is a newly opened concern. No other, no balance sheet data also because it's a newly opened concern. So we'll start putting this to admission fees. So income expenditure में income side पे by admission 22,000 complete amount is put there. But यहाँ adjustment है, so I have written it in inside. Subscription is 40,000. So it will be here by subscription 40,000. It is also having some adjustment. Donations 18,000. It is also having an adjustment. So I will write here by donations. Now my income side is done. My expenditure by furniture. Furniture is not an payment. It is a capital expenditure. So it will go 12,000 will go directly to balance sheet. By stationery. So that is an expenditure. It will go to expenditure. Office rent. $2,600. Newspaper periodicals 300. Telephone expenses 560. It will also come in expenditure. Investment 23,000. So it will go to your balance sheet investments. Now cash at bank and this will go to balance sheet. Cash at bank 30,000, cash in hand 7540. Mostly investment is having some, I think no adjustment for investment. We'll write it outside. Now subscription outstanding for the year is 5,000. So outstanding subscription will be returned here. $5,000. Even investment is not having any adjustment. So that also I'll write down out on the outer column 23,000. Depreciate furniture by 10%. अभी ये आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन इधर है तो इधर सब्सक्रिप्शन में ऐड हो जाएगा आउटस्टैंडिंग प्लस 5,000. टोटल विल बी 45,000. Depreciation on furniture, 2 depreciation. So it is 10% on furniture. Furniture was 12,000 less 10% depreciation. it will be 10,800, and in income expenditure it will become 1,200. We will imagine, or we will consider that it is purchased on the first day. Okay, full amount of admission fee. Why we will say that it is purchased on the first day and we are charging whole year depreciation? Because no date is given here. Because no date is given, so we will consider it the same way. The full amount of admission fee and 50% of donation are to be capitalized. So ye less capitalized minus 22,000 and less capitalized 50% minus 9,000, and it will go in here. There is no capital fund, so you will say capital fund is now created. You will add admission fee, you will add donation, and then we'll also add the surplus. Okay, because this is the first year newly started concern, so they don't have any capital fund. Now you're required to prepare income expenditure and balance sheet on that day. We have done everything. Now let us go for finding out the surplus or deficit or whatever it is. So it will be 45,000 plus 9,000. Here it is 54,000. It is 45,340 is your surplus. 45,340 is the surplus. So to surplus 45,340. Your income expenditure is closed at 54,000. Your profit surplus is 45,340, which will get added here, plus surplus now this is 76,340. You will add this. This is 10,800. $76,340. Your balance sheet is tallied. From the following receipt payment of KBP Engineering, Nasik, for the year ending 31st March 2019 and additional information, prepare income expenditure account for the year ending 31st December 2019. This is college, okay. And balance sheet for the same year. Now this is your receipt and payment. They've given you some additional informations. Let us start from receipt opening balance. ये पिछले साल का था तो अभी कुछ नहीं है. Interest will write down. Interest is 55,000. वैसे तो कोई फॉर्मेट होता नहीं है, लेकिन इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर के लिए हम लोग सब्सक्रिप्शन सबसे ऊपर लिखेंगे और उसके बाद नीचे लिखेंगे. तो इंटरेस्ट इज 55,000 as if now there is no hidden adjustment that we can see. Subscription 28,300. Income expenditure by subscription 28,300. You will always draw an inner and the outer column. इसका फॉर्मेट ही ऐसा है. सब्सक्रिप्शन को जनरली एडजस्टमेंट होते तो मैंने इनर में लिखा है और है भी शायद कुछ एडजस्टमेंट्स. No, there are. Okay, outstanding subscription is there. Then is to life membership fee 25,000. I will write down here. Buy life membership. Because there is some adjustment for life membership, I guess. Yes, are to be capitalized. Donation is 7 lakh. There is an adjustment for donation. So we'll again write it down in the inner column. Buy donations 7 lakh. Then tuition fee 12 lakh 30,000. This is engineering college. 12 lakh 30,000 is the tuition fees. And there is, I suppose, no adjustment for this. No adjustment. So it will be by tuition fees. ₹12,30,000. Term fee 2,08,000. It will also come here. By term fee 2,08,000, I guess. Then sundry receipts 8,000 and admission fees 60,000. By sundry receipts 8,000. By admission, and they have said it is revenue. So it will only appear here. Now we'll go to the payment side. Salaries to teaching staff 11,70,000. There is no adjustment for this. So we'll simply write it down in the outer column. Income expenditure to salaries to teaching staff 11,70,000. Electricity charges 55,000. Now this is very interesting. Here they have given books. Books are, this is a college, so books are their assets. But then they have given the balance of the books, opening and closing balance, 6 lakhs, 6 lakhs. And this is given. So we will mark this. This is a separate adjustment actually. Even with furniture, buy furniture 51,000. We will mark this. This is a separate adjust because see, books are 6 lakhs, furniture is 3 lakh. They've already given you this balances. But they have also given it in the payment. So this is a separate adjustment that we'll do. Now buy stationery 21,850. So here it will be 2 stationery 21,850. I'll first post everything, then I'll do this adjustments. Fixed deposit 8,50,000. It's an additional deposit maybe you have made and it will go to your asset. Now fixed deposit which is purchased on 31st March 2019 is 8,50,000 and there is also a fixed deposit previously. तो हम लोग बस ये addition ही करेंगे तो it will go in balance sheet. Balance sheet will write down here. Fixed deposit. पहले का जितना था उतना इसमें addition हो जाएगा. Addition is 8,50,000. Because this is capital, so it will not come in income expenditure. Then balance as cash balance, cash in hand is 16,650 and cash at bank is 2 lakh. I'll write down here cash in hand 16,650 and cash at bank 2 lakh. Okay, then we have to go with additional information. Now books were opening stock was 6 lakh, closing stock is also 6 lakhs. I will write down this books ka total in the balance sheet. Books closing balance is 6 lakhs. We'll do this adjustment. Now see, opening was 6 lakhs, closing was 6 lakhs, and here they have paid for 61,000. So there is some depreciation in the books. And how to find that? So it will be opening balance of books 6 lakhs. Addition in the year 61,000. Less closing balance 6 lakhs. So 61,000 is your depreciation. We'll have to charge this depreciation 61,000 because opening stock of the books was 6 lakhs. Closing stock is 6 lakhs and addition is 61,000. तो मैं इधर closing stock लिख दूंगी 6 lakhs का. Opening balance लिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं और यहाँ पे आएगा to depreciation on books. It is 61,000. क्योंकि और तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता ना, एडिशन हो गया, ओपनिंग क्लोजिंग पता है, तो सिर्फ डेप्रिसिएशन के वजह से ही वो कम हो गया होगा. Now books can also depreciate because there can be wear, tear, absolute books which are not relevant now, so they will have to be sold as scrap. Okay, so this is with books. Now similarly, we'll have to deal with furniture. Opening stock of furniture was 3,19,000. Closing stock is 3 lakh and there is purchase of 51,000. So again, we'll have to write down here closing stock on furniture. Furniture का closing stock 3 lakh है. Now we'll have to find out the depreciation on furniture. Opening balance was 3,19,000. Addition in between the year, the addition is 51,000. Less closing stock, that is 3 lakhs. So now let us find out. $3,19,000 plus 51,000 minus 3 lakh, 70,000 will be your depreciation. अब ये depreciation आप income expenditure में लगा दोगे. Furniture. Now building fund. Now there is something with the building fund that we'll have to deal with later on. Original building fund opening is 10 lakh. तो वो हम लोग बैलेंस शीट में लिख देंगे 10 लाख का बिल्डिंग फंड है. And I'll write down in the inner column because there is some adjustment. Then fixed deposit is 9 lakh. Opening was 9,10,000 and now the addition is 8,50,000. So fixed deposit mein idhar 9,10,000. This will be 17,60,000 total fixed deposit. Then capital fund is 9,47,400. That will write down in the liability side, balance sheet, opening capital fund. 9,47,400. Okay, now let us go to the next part, adjustment. 50% of donation are for building fund and the balance is treated as revenue. तो जो donation है उसमें से 50% जो है वो building fund के है, तो donation में से हम लोग less कर देंगे, less for building fund 50%. So 3,50,000 will be reduced. And it will be added to the building fund here. And it is treated, remaining is treated as revenue, तो वो income expenditure में दिखेगा. Outstanding subscription 5,300. Now you will add that outstanding subscription here plus outstanding 5,300. And it will be shown here. Life membership fees are to be capitalized. Life membership fees are total 25,000. They are to be capitalized. So what we'll do is less capitalized and it will be added to capital fund. Because life membership fees they have given, so we have capitalized. Now there is no other adjustment. अब ये building fund का है क्या? Donation when it is for specific purpose, it will go to that fund in balance sheet. And if it is for the general purpose, it will remain in the revenue. So 50% of the donation is for revenue, तो 3,50,000 revenue में दिखेंगे और remaining building fund में add हो जाएंगे. Now everything is done. Now let us go to the surplus calculation. इसमें अलग क्या था इस सम में? ये जो depreciation था ना, ये बहुत ही अलग था कि उन्होंने depreciate करो ऐसा कहीं दिया नहीं है. उन्होंने दिया था बुक्स का ओपनिंग बैलेंस, क्लोजिंग बैलेंस. तो ओपनिंग बैलेंस 6 लाख है, नया परचेस 61,000 है, तो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस भी 6 लाख होना, 6,61,000 होना चाहिए, लेकिन उन्होंने 6 लाख ही दिया है. इसका मतलब 61,000 का डेप्रिसिएट हो गया है. फर्नीचर में भी सेम है, ये थोड़ा अलग एडजस्टमेंट था. नाउ विल कैलकुलेट सरप्लस फॉर दिस. आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन जो गलती से लायबिलिटी में लिख दिया है, लायबिलिटी नहीं है. सब्सक्रिप्शन इज समथिंग दैट यू आर सपोज्ड टू रिसीव, तो अगर आउटस्टैंडिंग होगा तो वो एसेट साइड में लिखा जाएगा. Surplus is 5,59,500 and वही जो उन्होंने दिया है 550 as per the textbook. Now this surplus is added from income expenditure. The surplus will go and get added to balance sheet. Balance sheet capital fund. तो ये इधर आएगा टू सरप्लस 5,59,550. This will get tallied. And it will get added here. And then you can tally the balance sheet. It will also tally at the given amount only. Because we have done all the adjustments, so it will tally at 28,81,950.